So I started off when in school I made a clock for industrial technology metalwork. I then went to try to get an apprenticeship. I sent 150 letters away all across Australia, and I was fortunate I got a job over at Mascot, and I did my apprenticeship there. And then after I left my apprenticeship I started working for myself, and I've been working for myself for about 25, 26 years. I repair and restore family heirlooms, family clocks, watches, pocket watches, old Hornsby trains, old mechanical cars, anything that's got mechanics. When the clock starts going, it's like a heartbeat. It just ticks away and it's like a heart. You're giving an item a life and a soul. Have a passion, and I like to fix things and do the job properly the first time. My experience is over 25 years of being on the bench repairing and restoring, making and manufacturing parts as required.